Marey GA10LP. Offering innovation and tradition since 1955, Marey knows a few things about the innovative technology that makes their GA10LP model the best RV tankless water heater made in the USA. Marey ticks all the boxes. The Marey GA10LP provides your RV or small home an endless supply of hot water on demand and can save you up to 60% on your energy costs. The slim, compact design of the unit itself is lightweight and can be installed virtually anywhere since no electrical connection is required to power this tankless water heater. You're in control of the water temperature, flow rate, even low pressure systems, and gas intake with 3 easy-to-use control dials. The unit has a unique rust-proof coating, so you can rely on the Marey to offer you decades worth of endless hot water performance. The 10-liter unit provides up to 3.1 GPM, measures 6.9 by 13.6 by 23.6 inches, and weighs 21 pounds. It's about as do-it-yourself as it gets when it comes to on-demand endless hot water for your RV. Warranty. With a receipt of purchase and product registration, Marey offers a generous 2 to 5 year limited warranty on parts. No refunds or labor costs are covered under Marey's current warranty. Pros. Cold stream water to hot tap flow in under 60 seconds. Low propane to high hot water ratio saves energy. Innovative and easy installation process. Cons. Requires a high flow rate to heat water adequately. Limited summer or winter temperature control setting. Poorly designed, difficult to engage battery panel.